Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Biscuit. How is everybody doing out there? Hopefully everybody is having a good day and remaining safe. So today's video is going to be a little different. I am doing a cleanup with me type of video. I only had one client today, which was actually my sister-in-law. So technically she isn't a client, but she comes to me all the time to get her nails done. So I just thought that it would be different for me to show you guys how I clean up after all of my clients. Normally I do the same routine, whether it be with Clorox wipes, Lysol wipes, spray, Windex, because I have a glass top. So it's all a bit different based on what type of cleaning products I use. So right now I'm taking Lysol wipes and I'm wiping down all of everything. I wipe down my mat, which I use to record videos. I will be wiping down my table, wiping down the chairs, wiping down the nail lamp, the LED UV lamp. I'll be wiping down every single thing, which is normally what I do after every client. Like I said, I wipe down the chair. I try to make it as sanitized as possible after every client. And not only that, once I do my clients, I normally keep a 15-minute cushion in between my clients, so that way I can sanitize, wipe down everything, and so on and so forth. So if any of you ever book with me, you'll notice that there's always going to be a 15-minute gap in between my clients due to the fact that I like to sanitize, wipe down every single thing. And I know sometimes when you go to the nail shop, they normally don't wipe down after each client, but with these times that we're going through right now, not trying to say that any of my clients are sick or anything like that, but I just, for sanitation purposes and for myself and for my next client, I like to keep stuff clean. So give this video a thumbs up if you guys like sanitize every single thing that your client touches, or just like to have everything clean in general. So as you can see, I normally wipe down every single thing because dirt, debris, acrylic flies everywhere, especially when you're doing a takedown or a soak off and you're filing down the nails. So I wipe down every single thing, including the lamp, the drill bit, you name it. Okay, so basically that's what this video is about. I'm taking my Lysol wipes and I am wiping down every single thing. Not only that, I do wash my drill bits, and not only that, I carry at least 3 of the same drill bits. So if I have an extra coarse drill bit, I have 3 of those. If I have an extra coarse, I have 3 of those. I have 3 of the fine ones. I have so many drill bits, but again, that will come in another video. Matter of fact, leave a comment down below if you want to see what's in my nail storage desk collection type of video. Okay, so basically that's what you are going to see me do, is clean up. And yes, so if you guys have any questions for me, leave them down below. Comments, leave them down below. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell so that way you never miss a video. Also, don't forget to follow me on Instagram at IamBiscuit7, and I will see you guys in my next video. Enjoy. Bye.